CubeArt Space, Biennale Venue. CubeArt Space is one of the three venues, along with Armand Collective and Cafe and Garden Convention Center, hosting Idam, a parallel Biennale exhibition that highlights the diverse voices of artists from Kerala and its diaspora. The featured project is 6 Stations of a Life Pursued, a photography-based installation by late Indian artist Vivan Sundaram, 2022, presents 6 stations, or chapters, that invite viewers to reflect on personal history, memory, and resilience. The exhibitions at CubeArt Space present contemporary art from Kerala through Idam, which focuses on local artistic practices, histories, materials, and ideas, while blending generational perspectives with contemporary experimentation, alongside the site-specific installation, 6 Stations of a Life Pursued, a reflective work engaging with personal and collective memory. As a smaller runner venue, CubeArt Space offers more intimate encounters with art and context compared to the Biennale's larger heritage warehouses and public spaces.